I made some stuff as a kid, and I'm going to show it to you. Hey guys, today I thought we would do a bit of a throwback Thursday. I was recently in Sweden, and whenever I go to Sweden and visit my parents' place, I encounter a lot of stuff that I made as a kid. Basically, back when I looked like this and like this. I was really into making stuff from an early age, and some of my favorite subjects in school back in Sweden were wood shop and sewing shop. We had both of those. I don't know if that's how it works in the US too. In wood shop, you would get to whittle your own butter knife or learn how to build some simple project or maybe try out a wood lathe. In sewing shop, you learned how to sew on a machine and sew by hand, and you also got to try out embroidery. Of course, I was also into art class, and then my mom was awesome enough to enroll me in this pottery class after school, which I did for a while, so I got to try out ceramics, which I loved and I've been wanting to get back into. Let's take a little trip down memory lane and see some of the gems from my childhood past. First up, some wood pieces. This is a wooden duck pencil case. Inspired by the mallard duck, it features a nifty sliding lid, complete with floral decor. Perfect for all your pencil storage needs. Next up is a cat cutting board. This cutting board is ready for slicing and dicing. It features wood burn details and a convenient tail handle, which makes moving around the kitchen a breeze. Next up is a very special guest. This is Ove. I made Ove as a birthday gift for my father back in the day, and I whittled him myself out in our garage, and he's actually a dream catcher, or more specifically, a catcher of bad dreams. He came complete with a little note that I'd written, and the note is from Ove himself, and it says his name and that he's a dream catcher who catches all your bad dreams and puts them in his pockets before they reach you. He also says that he empties his pockets into the garbage every Sunday. As you can see, he is featured with his hands in his trusty pockets. It's pretty cute that Ove still stands on my dad's night table to this day. Now, on to some ceramic pieces. How about this earthy mug? Who wouldn't want to sip their morning coffee out of this cup? I'm not quite sure what my inspiration was here. It kind of feels a little Lord of the Ringsy. Next up is this little jolly pumpkin tea light candle holder. Happy Halloween, everybody! October is just around the corner. Trick or treat! And how about this ceramic box of many faces? Quizzical, happy, angry, confused. Oh, the things you could store in this magical box. Now check this out. Are you ready to steep your tea in this one-of-a-kind angel kettle? It also features a bamboo handle. I remember that my inspiration for this piece was the classic look of old blue and white china, but clearly I freestyled a bit. The angel motif is very particular. I'm not quite sure what my inspo was there. Now I'll wrap this episode up with one of my earliest drawings because I think it has some good positive vibes. I present to you dog and cat kissing. And that's something I made. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And why not hit subscribe? I'll see you next week. Bye.